In this video, we'll solve this word problem. Okay, so here we have two kinds of buses. One is the local bus, and one is the express bus. And we're trying to find the speed of each bus. So let me put the speed here. So we will set them for x. It says the local bus travels 7 miles per hour slower than the express. So the express speed will be x. So this is x. Then the speed for the local bus, which is 7 miles slower than x minus 7. Okay, so done with the speed. What else do we know? We know the express travels 45 miles. So the distance, here we're talking about the distance. So the express is 45 miles, and the local bus travels 38 miles. Okay, so since we're talking about speed, distance, we have to talk about time. And you probably already see they use the same time, right? It takes them the same time, but the local bus travel 38 miles and the express travel 45 miles. So all I have to do is find out the time for each kind of bus and then make them equal. Okay, so how do we find the time, knowing the speed and the distance? Well, let's say speed is s, distance is d, and time is t, for example. So distance is equal to the speed times time, right? So time must be equal to the distance divided by the speed. So for the time of the local bus, it will be the distance 38 divided by its speed, x minus 7. And for the time used for the express, it will be the distance, which is 45, divided by its speed, which is x. All right, so we can set the two fractions equal. 38 over x minus 7 must be equal to 45 over x. Okay, so this is in the form of a over b equals c over d. We can cross multiply. We can say 38 times x this way is equal to, multiply this way, right? 45 times x minus 7. So keep solving this equation. Distribute 45x minus 45 times 7, that is 315. Let me subtract 45x on both sides. That will give me negative of 7x equals negative 315. Divide both sides by negative 7. You should get x equals 45. So that means it will take the speed of the express bus is 45 miles per hour, and the speed for the local bus is 45 minus 7, which is 38 miles per hour. I hope you find this video helpful, and I will see you in the next video.